Who's ready for an amazing adventure? Well, the fun is just getting started, everyone. But now it's time to really begin with some wonderful storytellers. So please make some noise for your treasure seekers.
And my name is Sage.
We are the storytellers.
We are the treasure seekers.
From far and wide to travel west. Our journey is just beginning.
Indeed, you gathered here for adventure. You gathered here for magic.
You gathered here to seek a treasure.
Oh, I just love finding treasure.
Me too.
Perhaps it's a chest of gold hidden in a pirate's cove.
Yes, or at the riches high and far off King of Wonder.
Or maybe it's a priceless artifact deep in an ancient temple.
Or could it be a treasure even greater?
We'll seek our treasures together, my friends. But for now, it's time to explore.
It's time to set course.
The time has come to live your adventure!
Thank you, Captain Minnie and friends. What an amazing way to kickstart your vacation.
And a huge thanks to all of you. You were the missing piece to our puzzle, and now we're ready for some more adventures here on the beautiful Disney Treasure.